Find the real me.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am back again with a summer special drink. This is very tasty and yummy. Let's begin the recipe. Here I take a mixie jar. I add in mixie jar 300 ml of milk, 2 tablespoons of Roohafza syrup or rose syrup. I do not add in sugar because Roohafza is very sweet. This Roohafza syrup made by my mom. Recipe is shared on my YouTube channel Magicofkritika. Please check. Yes, you are right. I am making Roohafza Milk Shake. I add some ice cubes in it. Now I blend for 2 minutes. It's ready to serving. Here I take 2 glasses and pouring this milkshake. It is very yummy and tasty. We drink milk, our bones are become strong. So kids, please drink milk every day. I decorated with Roohafza syrup. It looks amazing. Now I am going to enjoying this milkshake. It is so yummy. So you can see how easy this recipe. Please you try this recipe. Do you like my video? Please do like, share, subscribe my channel and do not forget press the bell icon. Bye. We see you in next video. Thank you.
Find the real me. So let's go, seize the feeling. 'Cause you know it's time for the meaning. Now we show